Not much wind today, it's another beautiful day. So this is the moment of truth. I'm sick of waiting. I want to see if it's worked out alright. This is the main area of damage, so hopefully that doesn't expand when we take the clamps off. That looks good. Hopefully the same again. Well, I think we've got a result there. We've got some pretty well stuck wood, but that'll come off quite easily. Just go get a chisel and get rid of that. I think that's done quite a good job, really. There are bits externally that are in bad shape, but they're easily fixable. Trying to show you the profile from the other end. Now the resin's done pretty well in there. You can see it just needs a little bit more to fill it in. So I've given them a bit of a further clean up with the scraping blade. I just wanted to show you down the side so you can see where the resin has penetrated. That was the bit with the worst damage. This bit here is loose, this small bit, and will be removed like that. Any more that has to come off will come off. You can see the resin soaked in nicely behind it. That has to be filled with resin or filler. Same here, that has to be filled with resin or filler. On the top side, it's a little bit uneven. It goes too high here where the resin's penetrated through, but that's fine. That can just all be sanded level. You can see it's quite high. It's higher here than it is here. So there's almost too much material here. Just show you down the end. Again, they've got resin in there, so that's good. And I'm very happy with how that went. As I said, those bits need filling. That's part of the course. Bit here needs filling. That'll take all of about 10 seconds. So far so good. In the next video I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okie dokie, and in the meantime pray for some wind, because there's not been much at all. In a bizzle.